Oh God. Oh my gosh, animal. What do you have? Garbage. Let me see. Ew. No, we're working out.
Oh, we are?
They're making us mac and cheese.
Oh, I'm gonna fall asleep. We're gonna make mac and cheese.
Stop punching my finger.
But it's hilarious. Oh!
Because a lot of these plays on the sidelines, normally that ball's there just a little bit earlier. Whether, the route runs just a little bit differently. Those catches are going to be tough to hit.
What? Hey! Did you do that? Huh? Was that you? Oh my God.
Hey!
Hey, hey!
Tell me you're bad, dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Para. Presta atenção. Tá vendo? É por isso que eu falo. Você pula de mim, você quer que eu faça o quê?
All right, 7:53. Lorraine at the Urban Tavern this morning.
She's
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's freaking cool.
He's gonna poke her, and then she's gonna slap him.